What is up, guys? Done at the site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy additional storage in Zoho Mail. So first, you need to head over to your Zoho Mail website by just simply typing mail.zoho.eu. And after that, when you're redirected to the homepage, here on the right side, you can see the settings icon. So click on the settings icon, and then here you can see all your settings. And when you click on your profile section here, you can see the buy more storage option. So click on this upgrade now button, and then in the new tab, you will see all the premium subscriptions, which are basically paid. So in this paid subscription, you can choose whatever subscription you like according to your wish and requirements. And if you want a personal storage add-on, you can just buy it for free by just simply clicking on buy add-on. And you can also show the features. After that, as you can see, after some time, here this is 18 euros for 5 storages per year. And then the IMAP client is for 9 euros per year. So this is how you can purchase some storage in Zoho Mail. It was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.